Look who's here. She brought a recipe. You want to... And I don't have the right sifter, so
right.
She's not happy about that.
No. A little bit more prepared, I think, but
I'll cut it. Whoa. I'll cut it. It'll look like we're prepared.
cut it.
No, like...
Oh.
I will cut the video.
How can you cut sugar? Chocolatey.
Yeah, so we tasted it
we added
and...
some more cocoa powder and some chocolate chips.
Because
So who knows?
Yeah, we're changing Granny's recipe.
Yeah. I think maybe you need to do this. I'm not very strong.
I'm so weak.
I am weak.
She's going.
That's not bad.
Look who's here. She brought a recipe. You want to... You want to show the recipe? And tell all about it? Here, bring it up closer. This is a brownie recipe. Tell about it real quick.
It's from the local Yokel paper, and it's a column, and it's called Granny's Corner, or whatever.
And Granny is like 85.
Yeah.
So...
And she always has these good recipes, so thought we'd try this one today.
So, we're going to get to it.
All right.
3/4 cup of flour. Sifted.
Yeah.
And I don't have the right sifter, so
Right.
she's not happy about that.
No.
I've already been disciplined for my sifter.
Okay. There's
So
that.
3/4 cup of flour sifted.
Right. And then, well, you're supposed to sift all this together, really.
Oh, are you?
That's to me. But anyway, and then a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. So,
Here, I'm gonna just, it's a 1/2 teaspoon, right? Okay.
yeah.
We're just gonna show this. Maybe.
Is this a 1/2 teaspoon? Yeah.
Yeah. This is the recipe. Do you know Granny's name? Oh, nope, she doesn't know Granny's name.
Okay.
Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
Right. And then a cup of sugar.
Can you sift sugar?
Well, I don't know. We're going to find out.
I don't
That's
think you
why.
can sift sugar.
Well, it said it, so we'll try.
This is how we get along.
Because if you had the
You
right...
said a 1/2 cup. Or a cup of sugar.
I know, but I was just making sure that this...
Oh, it does sift.
It does.
It does
So
sift.
that's good. So we need another...
Yeah, this is definitely how we get along.
There we go.
1 cup of sugar. One cup.
Okay.
I'll write this recipe down for anybody who wants to see it.
Put this in there.
Yeah, just put it in the sink.
Add a 1/2 cup of shortening. Oh, I hate shortening.
I always put it in the... Use a spoon and put it in the thing and then spoon it out.
Right. Should have been a little bit more prepared, I think, but...
I'll cut it. Whoa. I'll cut it. It'll look like we're prepared.
Cut it?
No, like...
Oh.
I will cut the video.
How can you cut sugar?
Really?
That's like a zipper trick.
Yeah, there is. It's called one of those pie things.
Okay.
All right, a 1/2 cup of shortening.
Yeah. You know? Okay. And 2 unbeaten eggs.
Okay. Yes, 2 unbeaten eggs.
That's a hope. Ooh. Okay.
It's fine.
Okay. And let me put this in there.
Do we need a mixer?
You know, it says beat. And then we need a teaspoon of vanilla.
Oh, here we go.
Your things are weird. Okay.
I didn't unscrew it all the way.
Okay.
A teaspoon of vanilla. Should I get my mixer out?
Well, we'll try it this way first, and then if it doesn't work right, we'll do the mixer.
And so you beat it all together and then you add the cocoa powder?
The cocoa powder is what it says. It says beat for, it says beat for 1 minute. So
I think we should beat it. We'll be right back. We'll get the mixer out. Okay, we realized we didn't add the salt, so it's a half teaspoon of salt.
That we should have sifted
in. But, oh
boy.
She's not in her kitchen, so it's fine. Okay, we'll be back. We're going to plug the mixer in. Yeah. It says beat for 1 minute.
Are we timing it or? This is as fast as it goes? Mine like really gets with it.
Guys, nothing in my kitchen is good enough. Okay, she beat it for 1 minute. And now it's a third of a cup of cocoa powder. I'll clean it up. It's okay.
I hate this. Well, oh my gosh. Okay. Like really got over it. Okay. So I don't know. I guess we beat it again. Or should we just?
Oh, that's pour. Yeah, because it says beat until well blended, and then we're gonna put it in an 8x8 greased pan and then a 350 degree oven. Okay.
As soon as we get going here.
Yeah, as soon as we beat it. I think you have a nose there.
I know. I hope he doesn't get in it. Okay. Stand back, because this it's like powdered sugar. See how it puffs up?
Yeah.
This thing doesn't beat very fast.
Is there not like a turbo mode?
Very chocolatey.
Yeah, so we tasted it.
We added some more cocoa powder and some chocolate chips.
So
who knows?
Yeah, we're changing Granny's recipe.
Yeah. To
be like really chocolatey.
Hopefully. I don't know. It doesn't look any chocolatey. Okay.
I don't know if people can see that. They can read your cool shirt.
Yeah. Okay, are we putting it in
Okay,
there?
hold on. Yeah, put it in here.
I think maybe you need to do this. I'm not very strong.
I'm so weak. I'm so weak.
I am weak. Again, your dad would say, oh my God. Cut it. Because I can't.
She's like trying to motion to me to stop the camera.
Cut.
Okay, we'll be back. Cut.
There we go.
Okay. 28 minutes.
Please. Don't.
How long did it take? Ooh. What did these take? 35 minutes?
Yeah.
35 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright. It's done. So, we're going to do a taste test when they cool. And let you know if Country Granny actually makes good brownies. Okay. Okay, we're cutting it.
The moment of truth. Just want me to cut it like this?
Yeah.
Well, there's one piece.
Okay. You try it and then I'll try it. Or do you want to try it together? Oh, she's going for it. She's going.
No, it's not bad.
Is it good?
It's not bad.
Okay, I'm going to try.
Okay. It's not bad. It's better than I thought.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It might be good, and I don't like nuts. But I think it'd be good with some nuts in it.
But
no.
I think the chocolate chips were necessary.
Yeah, I do too. So Granny put some chocolate chips in it.
Yep. Granny? She better listen to us.
Yeah.
Okay. Hope you guys liked Cooking with My Mom. So bye.
Bye.